we're underway. Craig Ozenbaugh in the 99, picking up that lead over Bill Carberry. In the 48, Alan Bland Jr. in the 113, Scott Apperson in the 08. Oh, don't lose your boat. Fisher's Marine on the side of those boats. Up front, it is Craig Ozenbaugh, the 99, really set the pace over Bill Carberry in the 48. Alan Bland Jr. in the 113, Scott Apperson in the 08. Craig Ozenbaugh in the 99 right now doing a nice job with that race lead over Bill Carberry in the 48. And look out! Craig Ozenbaugh in 99 crossing with Scott Apperson in the 08. Craig Ozenbaugh in the 99 with that lead. Here we go down through that intersection. Look out! Oh! Scott Apperson losing the boat. He is out the 08. Craig Ozenbaugh 99 with that lead. Good battle between Bill. Look out! Look out! Craig Ozenbaugh 99 with that lead over Bill Carberry in the 48. Alan Bland Jr. in the number 113, but it is all Craig Ozenbaugh. Oh, look out! The big boat.
Losing the big boat, eh?
Craig Ozenbaugh on the 99 with that lead. Bill Carberry in the 48 now trying to track him down.
Hey, 99.
Craig Ozenbaugh 99 continuing to lead the way. Bill Carberry in the 48 now trying to chase him down. Craig Ozenbaugh on the 99. Look out! Look out! Craig Ozenbaugh 99, Bill Carberry at 48 trying to chase him down. But up front, it's Craig Ozenbaugh the 99 doing a nice job with that lead over Bill Carberry in the 48. Craig Ozenbaugh taking that wide swipe in the 99. Look out! Craig Ozenbaugh driving with one hand. Did you see that?
Oh my God.
Craig Ozenbaugh 99, your leader. Bill Carberry at 48, trying to track him in. It'll be the white flag. Next time by, Craig Ozenbaugh the 99, your leader. Hang on! Bill Carberry in the 48 trying to close that gap. They'll come to the white flag this time by. Craig Ozenbaugh 99, Bill Carberry at 48. Craig Ozenbaugh the 99 with that lead. Bill Carberry in the 48 trying to track him down. Craig Ozenbaugh continuing to lead the way over Bill Carberry in the 48. Here he goes down through that intersection one final time. It's going to be look out! Craig Ozenbaugh! Oh, there he goes! At the checkered flag! Well, he got the checkered flag. Ripped the bumper off the car and everything. They pretty much will use that 99 up tonight, but I'll tell you what, they put on an excellent show for you. How about a nice round of applause for our figure 8 boat competitors.